Welcome everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply turn off the notifications or how you can mute server on Discord on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're here, you just want to click on server that you got, and right when you have it, you're gonna see like those three dots next to the name of the server. Click on it, and then you're gonna see notifications. Here you just want to like click mute GTA, and like you can mute it for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, or even for 8 hours. It's like really up to you for how long are you going to mute it, but this is how we do it, or for 24 hours. And right when you have it, you can also like change notifications, like only mentions, nothing, suppress everyone, and suppress all roles. And this is pretty much. So thank you very much everybody. Also you can like notification override channels and stuff like that. So again, you go to Discord, click on GTA or whatever, notifications, and mute the channel. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.